Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open your Strava app, tap your profile icon, then choose Settings and Profile. Scroll to weight and enter your current weight in kilograms or pounds, for example 70 kg or 154 lb, then save. Strava uses that weight along with activity distance and duration to estimate calories burned, so this single change makes a big difference. Update weight when it changes more than about 2 kg or 5 lb to keep estimates accurate. Do not leave weight blank. Saved weight enables calorie calculations for each logged activity. For more accurate calories, connect heart rate monitors, power meters, or third-party services. In Settings, choose Link Other Services or Devices, select Garmin, Apple Health, Fitbit, or a Bluetooth strap, and authorize data sharing. When a heart rate or power device is active during an activity, Strava replaces a GPS-only estimate with sensor-based calorie calculations. For example, a 60-minute run with 140 BPM yields different calories than GPS-only. Confirm device is recording. After you finish an activity, open the activity page and look for calories and activity details near distance, time, and elevation. If the value is missing or seems off, tap Edit to confirm your weight, check the linked device status, or resync with Garmin or Apple Health. You can also add perceived exertion or heart rate manually to improve estimates. For consistent tracking, compare the same activity across devices and note differences. For example, a 3-5-mile run often shows 300-450 kcal, depending on weight and intensity.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.